But I saw my mom's hair. I'm about to get out. Who has a big head?
Put a tender Nelson.
But here she is. I don't have any like setting mist. So cool. How are you? Welcome back to another vloggy vlog. I just pulled up to a cafe called Tous les Jours. I'm meeting up with my mom, my sister, and my cousins. Just a cute little, it's a Korean French bakery. I actually did a video for them for the mall, but I saw my mom's hair. I'm about to get out and let's go meet. Ow. She already went inside. Is this the bakery? No. My pants are like coming down. Hi. You already ordered? Is there anywhere for everyone to sit?
I was probably just telling Didi.
Are they here?
Oh. So I was thinking, we'll see if you can see a tape.
Okay, intermission. We had originally went to the wrong location, but we're here. That's all that matters.
Here for the tender Nelson.
Would everything gluten free? Ooh, a quiche. Where am I going without my wallet?
And girl, you know I love you, love you, love you. I love you, love you, love you. I won't put no one up, buy you, buy you, buy you. Cause you're loyal, loyal, loyal. And girl, you know I love you, love you, love you. I love you, love you, love you. I won't put no one up, buy you, buy you, buy you. And girl, you know that I love you, love you, love you. If she ain't got no loyalty, she for the street. And I ain't got no loyalty for a thief. Don't steal my heart unless you settling with me. It's too early in the night, I'm off a beam. The Rose Valley every time that we leave. Got you dripping like red bottoms on your feet. Your perfume and your makeup on my sheets. So move your body to the beat. Move your body to the beat. So take it off, you for me. Anytime, anywhere we can leave. Now it's slot in the G63. You're a prize, you're a dime, you're a queen. Like the stars on the roof, you can see. Can't believe she fell in love with a G. I got heat, if it's up, let it bleed. And girl, you know I love you, love you, love you. I love you, love you, love you. I won't put no one up, buy you, buy you, buy you. I love you, love you, love you. Cause you always so loyal, loyal, loyal. I love you, love you, love you. I won't put no one up, buy you, buy you, buy you. And girl, you know I love you, love you, love you. Yeah. Two-step, then we ride out. Rolls Royce like a ghost, we could fly out. Drop top JFK, we don't hide out. Said she only sip mimosas for the vibe now. And I let her keep it soaking when I drown out. And I'ma tell you cause you gorgeous and you mine now. A little fun, she know I hold it down. Like where you going, babe? Just bring that around. Move your body to the beat. So take it off, you for me. Anytime, anywhere we can leave. Now it's slot in the G63. You're a prize, you're a dime, you're a queen. Like the stars on the roof, you can see. Can't believe she fell in love with a G. I got heat, if it's up, let it bleed. And girl, you know I love you, love you, love you. I love you, love you, love you. I won't put no one up, buy you, buy you, buy you. I love you, love you, love you. Cause you always so loyal, loyal, loyal. I love you, love you, love you. I won't put no one up, buy you, buy you, buy you. And girl, you know I love you, love you, love you.
Good morning. Hi. It's so cold, guys. I'm sure you can tell. But good morning. How are you? It is Monday, December 1st. I honestly think, like, as a collective, I can speak for all of us. We love when the month starts on like a Monday or a Sunday, because it's like literally the top of the week, and it's like you get to truly like reset and like lock in, do all the things. But good morning. I saw you guys a few days ago. I'm just going to pick up from when I saw you guys last one Saturday when I went to the cafe with my family. It was the best day. I didn't finish vlogging the rest of the day just because we truly just be in the moment, and it's truly just a pure like yap sesh. We're all so close. I'm truly so grateful to be blessed, to be loved and surrounded by such like amazing women. I love my family. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm a little bit more like chipper and like pumped up. I truly feel so good. I feel so good. And when I vlogged last, it was before Thanksgiving, which I was fine. But I think just after being with my family for 2 days, because I was with them on Thursday, Thanksgiving, and then I was with them Saturday, it was just exactly what I needed. And so, and we have a lot of females in our family, so it was just like all girls. So like Kai stayed with Quan, and it was just nice. Like Mama was just like doing her thing with her girls. I don't know, it was just so good. I was at my sister's house. But yeah, so it's Monday. I just did a glutes and hammies day. I know I did that in the last vlog, but I'm just sticking to my schedule, and I always start off the week with glutes and hamstrings. So that's what I did. And then I did show you. I filmed some abs. I did some abs, leg raises, and then I did, what'd I do? I walked for 30 minutes. You guys know I do 12, 3:30. I sat in the sauna for like 10 minutes or so, but it wasn't like as hot. It was like just starting to heat up. Like it wasn't already like hot or whatever. So there's that. But I'm gonna go home, get Quan up for work, and then I'm going to do my walk. I need to go to the mall today because I have some content to film. So I'm gonna do that and just get that out the way, just so, you know, I can come home and like edit and turn what I need to turn in. But I shouldn't be there long at all. I'm just doing like a concept for like shopping for like Kai for like Christmas clothes or something, like an outfit to take with Santa. So it's gonna be like a part 1, part 2 type vibe. Hi guys, we are going to the mall because Mama's got some work to do. But good morning, it is, or good afternoon actually. It's, where's my phone? 12:45 on the dot. But yeah, we're going to the mall because I have some content to film. I have a video to do. Say hi, Kai. Say hi, everyone. But yeah, we're going to the mall.
I'm a big kid.
Won't be there. Who has a big head?
In the ball pit.
No, we're not going to see the big head in the ball pit. But I don't have much to film.
I love the Roy race car. That's my favorite toy.
It is?
Yeah.
The red race car?
In the toy store.
I love that, boo-boo.
Like,
But, I have to film that, like, Santa's at the mall or whatever, but I'm going to make it like a...
that toy race car?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm going to make it like a concept where, like, we're picking out an outfit for Kai for, like, for the pictures or whatever. So it's going to be like a part 1, and then I'll do the part 2 when we actually take the pictures with Santa. But yeah, so we're about to go to the mall. I love you. I did go to the gym yesterday. I did shoulders and triceps. I'm a little sore, but we love that. I didn't go this morning, but it's okay. It's Wednesday, December 3rd. But yeah, after that, I might go buy DUNKIN, depending on how much I got on my gift card, babes. But no, I love you, and I wish you all the best of the best. I put on brown mascara again. But anyways, let's go to the mall. I need to save my battery anyways for filming. I love you. So we're all done. My bun's coming out. We're about to go back downstairs. I have to film a quick little part of us entering Nordstrom. And then we're probably gonna go get DUN-KIN. Come here, Kai, you have to hold mommy's hand.
Oh, yeah?
Going down the escalator.
Well,
My outfit. Yes, Kai? Okay, mommy's getting it. What's the matter?
it's no cupcake.
Mwah.
I want
Mommy got you donuts. You're gonna eat them in the house. It's the chocolate donut balls.
I want. Don't be up here.
They're already hot.
No. It's for.
You are the best. I got a few packages in over the past few days that I've been wanting to show you guys. I got this one today. This is by L'Oreal. Ooh, not a keychain. We love a keychain. They sent me their infallible 3-second setting mist. So cool. And then this one has like a little leather case for it that like has like a keychain. This is kind of cool. I guess like, so it's like you can like take it on the go. That's cute. But I like really love this to like put on the keys or something. I don't know, I might use that. It's like a little mini. So I got a full size and then like a little travel size. Cute. And I did try this stuff. I tried it once. I need to try it again to like get the full like vibey vibe, but that's fun. And then this brand sent me these. It's from Amazon actually. It's like a pack of underwear, which is like perfect. I think they're like seamless. Let me see. It's like a whole pack. I think they're seamless and it's like perfect for the gym. Oh, they're like little scallop panties. Maybe not for the gym because you might be able to see these. I don't know. But I'm going to test these out for you guys and I feel like they're high-waisted. These look like just like comfy panties that you could just like throw on for just like everyday comfort because you need a comfort, you know? And then this was cool. I got this huge package of Korean skincare by this brand Numbuzen, but they sent me a bunch of their goodies. I got some PDRN Glow Boosting Toner, a Bio Lifting Seal Essence. I need to do my research on like to know like when to use this, how to use the products. This is Vitamin Concentrated Serum Brightening Antioxidant, Fade Away Facial Acne Scars and Brighten Dark Spots. So like a brightening serum. I got some toner pads, vitamin C toner pads with glutathione, brightening pads with niacinamide to help even skin tone. This is so fun. And then these two, I got a toner and then a deep cleansing cleanser. So a whole like little system. So I'm definitely going to test this out. I absolutely love skincare. I got these boots from Amazon. I need to do a post for Instagram, but they're by Mototope. That's the brand. Some just like basic like rider style like boots, and I don't have any like flat, just normal black boots. I could have wore these today. But cute. They're like leather, and then the back is like suede, and then like the heel has like a titanium. Is that how you say it? Titanium? Are you focused? I don't know. What's happening? Focus. I don't know, but titanium, whatever, little detail. And then this, I actually want to open this like now. I'm so excited. It's a calendar, but it's like a digital calendar, y'all, by, I forget the brand name. I'll have it for you guys in the thing, but it's gonna be linked down below. So freaking cool. I'm literally about to like, it's a digital calendar and they sent it to me. I'm going to pop this out and like get it set up and everything. That way I can show you guys. So you guys stay tuned for the next vlog. Yeah, I'll probably see you guys in a second. I'm gonna do skincare and I'm gonna show you guys my new like mask I have. a new like little LED red light mask. But I just did my walk. I didn't go to the gym this morning, but I did do my 10K steps. I burned my 500 calories, so we love her. I'm about to drink some water. I didn't do good on water today, so I'm gonna guzzle some water, and then I'm going to plan and prep out my grocery list for tomorrow because we're going grocery shopping tomorrow, and I'm looking forward to it because we've been eating some stuff, baby girl. So yeah, thank you so much, and I'll see you in a sec. And I had to turn the Christmas tree light off because it does that like weird thing with the lights. So I just washed my face. This is my cute little face mask, but before I put it on, I just want to quickly go over like, so this is the 3-Gen Gentle Skin Infrared Mask, and I just want to go over a few of the benefits that it claims. So it has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory effects. It can inhibit the growth of bacteria for acne, helping treat skin inflammations, promotes skin cell metabolism, improves skin texture, and reduces fine lines and wrinkles, stimulates collagen production, enhances skin elasticity, and reduces skin sagging, has a soothing effect on the skin, takes away sensitivity, redness, swelling, improves skin color, making the skin appear more healthy and vibrant, penetrates deep into skin tissues, stimulates fibroblast activities, just overall just so good, and it really acts on the deep layers of the skin, promoting blood circulation. So I like to put this on for about 10 to 15 minutes a day, or like every other day or so, just a few times out of the week. And it has like a little Velcro clasp in the back, and it's already charged, and Kai doesn't like this, so I'm facing you guys, but you can turn it on and set the modes. I have it on the first level, but just sitting here, and it really just like helps penetrate everything deep into the skin. But yeah, I need to tighten it, and it's not like uncomfortable or anything, but I like to like put this on like while I'm watching my show, or just like scrolling, or just doing whatever. But here she is. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this. I'll have it linked down below in the description box for sure. I'm gonna finish this off camera, but I love you guys so much. I will see you soon in my next video. I'm probably gonna pick up the vlog for tomorrow. That way we can start fresh. I'm doing a quad and glute day tomorrow morning. And yeah, we're just gonna have such a great time, and I'm just so excited. I'll update you guys and everything, but I'm just so excited for 2026 and all to come and all the things. But I love you so much. Thank you for being here, and I'll see you soon.